Hello everyone, this is Johnny. Welcome to my NetSec channel. Today I'm going to show you Google Chrome skills. To use Google Chrome, you can capture a screenshot. You don't have to install any third-party software like I'm using ShareX, which is quite useful. But today I'm going to talk about the Google Chrome. What if you don't have any third-party software and you have to capture the screenshot? And what you can do, you can open your developer tools by press Ctrl+Shift+I or F12, and then you can just Ctrl+Shift+P, type screenshot, Ctrl+Shift+P and type screenshot. From here, you can capture the whole full-size screenshot, capture the area screenshot, capture a node screenshot, just capture screenshot. Let's try how it works. Capture area screenshot, you're gonna get the icon to choose the area. And then it will automatically download it to your local download folder. You can click it to see what this looks like. Ctrl+Shift+P, screen, shot, and then you can also do capture full-size screenshot. Let's open a longer web page and see how it looks like. There's multiple pages, capture full-size screenshot. That's a full-size screenshot. You don't have to use in third-party software. You can get this capture screen works very well. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these tips can help you to capture your screenshot when you need it. Thank you for watching.